Shortcodes. Basically, I did a design, not sure if you remember it, but we had some, like a little dividing line, we had some buttons in here, we had some section where you could make a download, we had testimonials, a little slider, little content box, and then what I would recommend to use for your FAQs. This is normally called a toggle. So these work on what's called shortcodes, common term with WordPress, and let me show you how we can use these different elements and items, when you're editing your site. Go ahead to the pages sections where I'm at now, pages. Let's see, shortcode fun. Drop in some, let me give it a title first. Title here. Let's see. Alright, content. So there I got my content. Let's say I want to divide this content between another section of content. So I have this dividing line right here. I can separate stuff. Okay, so I just click my mouse where I want it. And then right up here, got this icon for insert divider. That's it. Now, and I forgot to mention, make sure you are in visual mode. If it looks like this and you're like, oh, where are my buttons? Make sure you're in visual mode so you see that. And then what I can do is start another section. Let's see. Where are we heading to? Okay. Let's go ahead and save this and see what we look like. Excuse me. So here we are. Here's our title. Here's our paragraph of text. And if we look, here's our dividing line. Here's another section of text. Okay, so how about a button? We have these buttons we can drop in there. And maybe you want to send someone to another portion of the site. So we can do that. Let's go ahead and click in there. And then you'll see this little finger. Looks like it's pointing to a button. Click it. And what we have are two types of buttons. We have the download button, which is for like your PDF or whatever, and then this the regular, excuse me again, the regular buttons. So let's just do a blue button, give it your link, where's it going to go to, such as https www. blah 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 blah. But right now I'm just going to do this, and then the name of the button. Do read more. Whoops. Not sure why that came on, but so then we'll see this is the code it dropped in for your shortcode. So if I update this, come back and refresh, here we are. I got a fancy little button in there. Okay, so next maybe you want to do a download for a PDF or an Excel sheet or whatever you got going on. Same thing, we click that same button. Click the download button tab that's in this, and we can choose our icon, PDF or Word. Right, so let's do PDF. The link, if you have to upload these files, you have to get this link from your media library. So what you would have to do is copy and paste it into here. And to do that real quick, let's say you click this little icon, this upload insert. If you haven't uploaded it to this point, you could click here and then upload it. And when you get done uploading it, if you remember from doing other tutorials in the videos, when you're done doing an upload, it gives you this box of information, and what you'll see in there is that link URL. This is what you would paste in there. So if you upload a Word document, a PDF, you just copy this link once it's uploaded, then paste it into that section we're going over now. If it's already in the media library, the same thing. You come in here, you look for it, you find it, you click show on it, and then you copy that link. Okay? Excuse me. Alright, so let's go ahead and do that again. We'll do the download button, PDF, paste the link, download PDF. And there's a little line of code, boring, nerdy HTML, of course. Now we refresh, there we are, there's our download PDF. It's a Word icon, of course, but, just kind of an example here. Alright, let's go ahead and drop in another divider so we can separate some stuff. Next thing, we have the quotes, or excuse me, the testimonials, so we'll see that right here. Click this. We can actually choose which ones we want to insert. So you can choose, maybe you only want one, maybe you only want three, maybe you want all of them. So you select the ones that you want to actually show up. I'm just going to do these three, insert, update, and there's our testimonials. 1, 2, and 3. Alright? Okay. Let's keep plugging along here. Let's go ahead and drop another divider. And then next thing we want to do is the toggled content. This would be great if you have an FAQ page, and then you can come in here and insert these, and that's all you would have is just FAQs, you know, your common questions and answers. Just click it. First thing is, do you want it to be open or closed? Meaning, if I come down here, this one's already open, and this one's open. This one's closed. Open or closed. Up to you and how you want to do that. So we're going to do these closed, because typically that's how an FAQ works. Okay, and then title of this FAQ. So let's see, does Wendy offer lessons? Insert. Okay, there's your, there's your question right here. Does Wendy offer lessons? And then where it says your toggle content here, that's where you add your answer. So type in your answer, paste in your your answer, whatever. So make sure it's in between here. Don't go over these two dividing sections, these boxes. Paste it. I'm just going to duplicate this a couple times. So we got that one in there, and then just start doing your toggles. So if I do another one, this one's going to be closed as well. Close. How can I track my progress? Whatever. I don't really know what you're going to ask, but insert, paste in your content, or type it, whatever, and then so forth and so forth. So let's go ahead and update this. See, and there's our questions. Is Wendy offer lessons? How can I track my progress? And I just clicked open. Click to open. So pretty cool. Take care. You can knock out your FAQ page all in one quick swoop. Alright, so let's go ahead and do what we've been doing, add a divider. Next thing in line is the insert box, and that is just something to add color, break some stuff up, add some some uniqueness to the actual to the page layout. So maybe we don't even need a divider. Drop that out. So let's go ahead and click it. Title your box, Wendy is awesome, and then your text. Insert. Very easy. Update. Yeah, there you are. There's your little text box, your title, and whatnot. So a lot of different things you could do for a page. Not saying you have to do all these on every single page, but you have access to add some different little things like buttons and downloads and testimonials and things to keep your pages fresh and whatnot. It'll be really great for your student sections to to add some of these elements in there. All right, that's going to take care of this one.